What is up, lovable fans? Today we're going to show you where we're going to find the best Trinidad bust of shot in Grenada, and we're also going to show you where we get some good local chicken, and also we're going to show you a nice little local place where you can get the best fresh fish on the market. So come along with us and enjoy this excited Grenada food tour with us. So first we found this Trinidad bust of shot food shop on the roadside. It's called Boogie-B, and we're gonna give them a check out. Fortunately, there's not a lot of parking, as you can see. That's us over there parking on the side, so that's just something to bear in mind. But nevertheless, let's give them a check out. Let's see.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
You're gonna have to wait a little bit.
How long?
Uh, like 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. How much are they?
50.
50 for one? Oh, 50
For one? 50 for both.
Okay.
Oh, here, you can tell them what you ordered.
So, we're here at Boogie-Bs. We saw this on another YouTuber's vlog and we thought we had to come and try it. So, we ordered the lambi, bust-up shot lambi. Reasonable is 25. I think they're gonna make it fresh right now, so we have to wait a few minutes, but I'm excited to see how this tastes. Seen it from other YouTubers. I think it's gonna be good. So, I'll let you know how it goes.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Put this one in.
Yeah. So after we got our food, we stopped at the beautiful Hope Beach to have our lunch. So we do hope you're enjoying this video, guys. If you're enjoying this video, please leave us a like, leave us a comment where you're watching from.
All right, so let's see what we got here. It's the bust of shot.
Where's the fork?
Doesn't have the fork.
Wait, you have to take pictures of videos first.
Go ahead, guys.
And, yeah, I was trying to get up.
Somebody gonna have to keep a hold on it. Right here, record. Guys, man. Let me see what's good.
Hey, one spoon. Everybody get one spoon. There's one on 3 spoons.
Yeah, good. Pumpkin. Ooh. Good.
Renee. Let Renee try.
I'm gonna keep your hand on it, please. Let me go this way. Come here. Hold on to it, please. What do you think? Go ahead, Jess. Go. Take it in your hand, Jess, so I have to get a better shot. How about here? Here, take the food.
The pumpkin is good.
Good.
Some of it is a little salty.
Sorry, Dad will edit.
some kind of Trinidad stuff, Chana stuff. It's mango. When they come by Stella by sister.
Here, you can take with the.
Chana. Yeah. Come on, hold it, Chana. Come on, hold the camera for me.
Yeah.
We don't have to share.
Plate is going down really fast, boy.
Mm-hmm.
Very, very fast.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If I can pry the plate out of this man's hand, I might be able to get it.
Daddy,
He didn't look like he had any,
let her eat.
any intentions of sharing. It's good. $30. Want some food there? Want chicken?
For me, in my humble opinion, it's a little bit small for $30, but it tastes good.
I think the meat is just slightly salty. Personally, I think the meat is a little bit salty, but it's seasoned really well. Tastes very good.
Pumpkin though. Pumpkin sweet.
Oh, delicious.
Pumpkin real good. Real sweet. Here, Annie. Look at the one last. Matter of fact, there's only one last. You have one last one? Enough for just for one person? The mango. I'm doing this time to make the mango all again.
So our next stop will be B's Crispy Chicken. While we were at the Boogie-Bs shop, we can see B's Crispy Chicken just behind us, about 100 feet behind us. So yeah, about 100 meters actually behind us. So we are gonna give them also a checkout and a review. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned.
You said 23?
All right, let's go, Rick.
So here we have from, what's the name of the place again, Renee? Crispy. Beans Crispy Chicken? Yeah. Beans Crispy Chicken. So we ordered the 5-piece. It comes with fries and a drink. And I'm going in.
Good. Doesn't come on down. Come on, so we can.
It's not bad. And you know I'm not a wings fan. Huh? Spicy.
Okay.
God was right. Well
You
seasoned.
know, come on, Jill. Come on. Okay. Hold in. Come over. Okay. That's the right for me. salty. Yeah. Good.
It's well seasoned.
Mm-hmm.
It's not spicy because I can't do the spice. It's good.
Fried chicken.
And it's cooked properly.
That's good.
Not bad.
It tastes like organic chicken. Not fatty.
Good food. Good scenery.
And it's fresh. Very fresh. Good. Okay, I want a bit.
Jasmine, what do you think?
Good.
I'm a wings person.
I like this one better than the other one that we went to.
Hooray! Kaya, I want to go in the water. Come, Kaya, come. There you go. No?
You're fine.
Put in the water. Yeah. Keep them moving. Can I have my piece?
I'm taking it. Give me a second. Not bad. You're not full to the point you want sleep, but you top up the hole. You put top up the hole, yeah? Ready?
I'm coming. I'm coming in. Coming in.
Explain to them what you're doing. Maybe not.
Make 20?
How much you have?
20?
How many pieces?
I don't know, it's not pack.
Mike, your bag.
Okay, go. Yeah, pack. Good deal.
20?
20. Very good deal.
Oh.
Very good. You want to swim? Some bite that? Probably a crab. Probably a crab. A crab. She's looking in for it. Hey! No, she don't want to come. She want to swim. She goes. You want to swim? You want to swim, Kaya? What is one? The sun come out.